A special train has been started by the Northern Railway at the Jammu. Right now, I am at the Jammu railway station where Vande Bharat special train has been started for the standard passengers of the Indigo Airlines. Right now, we are at the Jammu railway station. You can see the crowd over here. Maximum of the passengers are those who are being standard because of the delay and the cancellation of the flight. Today, 10 flights of the Indigo were operational, but 3 of them were cancelled, 7 were operating. Right now, the Vande Bharat has been started by the Northern Railway for the standard passengers. You can see the crowd over here at the Jammu railway station. We will speak to some of these passengers whose ticket was in the Indigo, but now what we are getting to know is that they have been planning to go to their destination. They couldn't reach because of the chaos at the airport. We have been joined by some of the passengers. कहाँ से आए, कहाँ जा रहे थे?
हम मुंबई से आए हुए हैं और हम वैष्णो माता देवी के दर्शन के लिए आए थे यहाँ पर। और आज की हमारी वापसी की फ्लाइट थी रात के 7 बजे, तो बट वो कैंसिल हो गया। और लास्ट मोमेंट तक हमको यही बताया गया है कि कंफर्म था हमारे सीट्स, हमको इवन ये भी मिल रहे थे, बोर्डिंग पासेस भी मिल रहे थे, बट फिर लास्ट मोमेंट पे पता चला कि कैंसिल हो गया। अब हम ट्रेन से दिल्ली जा रहे हैं और दिल्ली के आगे का हमारे सफर का कोई हमारा कंफर्मेशन नहीं है।
इंडिगो ने क्या बताया आपको?
इंडिगो ने मैसेज दिया कि फ्लाइट्स आर कैंसल्ड, बट जब हम लोग लॉग इन करके चेक कर रहे थे तो वहाँ पे आ रहा है कि कंफर्म। तो हम लोग एयरपोर्ट पे वापस गए आज दोपहर में और फिर चेक किया तो वो लोग बोल रहे कि फ्लाइट्स कैंसल्ड ही है, भले ही वो कंफर्म बता रहे हो बट द फ्लाइट्स आर कैंसल्ड।
Are you happy with the Northern Railway which they have started a special train?
या एक्सट्रीमली हैप्पी, और उनका सर्विसेज भी अच्छा है, वंदे भारत का सर्विसेज तो नो डाउट।
So you can see this is the situation over here. Some of the passengers, you can see how they are being reaching at the Jammu railway station so that they can reach to the their destinations. People are over here. Some are traveling for the international, some are traveling for the domestic. We have some more of the passengers over here. Sir, where you are going? Are you also a standard passenger of the Indigo?
Yeah, we are standard passenger in Indigo. हमारी कल फ्लाइट थी अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग इन श्रीनगर। उस टाइम राइट टाइम दिखा रहे थे कि आपकी फ़्लाइट टाइम पे है, लेकिन बाद में इन्होंने बोला आपकी फ़्लाइट कैंसिल हो गई है। वी आर सफरिंग। फिर सुबह हम निकले अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग, तो वी थैंकफुल टू रेलवे मिनिस्टर एंड रेलवे अथॉरिटी कि उन्होंने सुविधा लगाई कि जो वंदे भारत ने स्टार्ट की ताकि लोग अपने अपने जो जगह है वहाँ पहुँचे। और जो रेलवे जो एयर अथॉरिटी है, जो बाकी एयरलाइंस है, उन्होंने तो रेट आसमान को छूने को लिए 35,000 40,000 टिकट मिल रही है। कहाँ से इस वक्त बेयर करेगा एक इंसान? तो इसलिए हम रेलवे का शुक्रिया अदा करते हुए थैंकफुल टू रेलवे मंत्री।
You can see they are very thankful to the railways. We have some more of them. We will talk to them. Are you from? Are you going to the Mumbai or to the Delhi?
To Delhi. Yeah.
Are you also a standard passenger of Indigo?
Yeah.
What happened there?
At the airport?
Yeah.
Our flight got cancelled. So we were made to take the train instead.
Are you happy with the Northern Railway?
Yeah. We travel by Vande Bharat a lot. So it's good to have
Good initiative by the Northern Railway.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah. Good alternative. And it was quick.
What about the Indigo?
I think it comes and goes. They're trying their best, but you have so many people around who need to go back.
Much chaos at the airport.
Yes, we spent 24 hours at the airport.
24 hours.
Yeah.
So look, this is the situation. This is the story of the different people, different passengers who are saying how they are being suffering by the Indigo at the airport. But now the Northern Railways has come forward. They have started a special Vande Bharat train for the destinations. Right now I am at the Jammu railway station. You can see the crowd over here, and they are clearly saying that they are happy with the initiative taken by the Northern Railway, but Indigo should be answerable also. With video journalist Amit Bhardwaj, this is Ankit Bhatt for Times Now from Jammu railway station.